Dude, like, everything is big on this. Look at this. Look at, oh my God. I could fit my whole ass head in there. Fucking shove it in. Damn!
Can't slide, you can't drive!
Yeah!
That's it!
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum. This is Phase Ed Music.
Alright guys, you need to see the size of this truck. Like, they brought it here, we're supposed to work on it, but we don't know how we're getting it in that garage door because she be fat. So thick, super thick. How is that fitting in that doorway? That is not gonna work out. I don't know. We'll figure something out. We always do. That's just what we do at TooFast. Dude, like, everything is big on this. Look at this. Look at, oh my God. I could fit my whole ass head in there. Fucking shove it in. Damn! I can officially fit my entire head inside that exhaust. That is f***ed up. Oh man. What you doing there, Wes?
Oh, just some sick ass wheels for this Benz, yo.
Oh yeah?
Put the coilovers on, now we gotta get fitment. We can't lower it without new shoes, bro.
No, you need new shoes always.
That's it, bro. That's it. Gotta stay fresh.
Don't tell my girl I said that. I'm not approving new shoes for her. So you're like
black on black, you know?
you're a professional at this now, right? Like, this machine
Yeah, this machine, I love this machine, man.
makes everything a lot easier.
Oh my God, yeah. Does it
Yeah.
ever. You can mount anything on this.
Now, my question is, where's Armin?
Where's Armin?
He had, last I saw, he had 40 minutes to mount a set of tires or he was fired. And then I got in today and he wasn't here. So oh.
Some fresh rubber, fresh shoes, fresh suspension. Oh, she's gonna look sexy actually.
Jeez. Damn, bro, you make this look easy.
The machine makes it look easy.
Man, I'm trying to give you a compliment here. Take it. Jeez.
Taking me for a ride, bro, this machine.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Want to let you know, good job, brother. You have completed the coil packs and spark plug install. Now you have moved on to the next level, which is the next project, which is harder than this, which is a 6-inch lift kit.
Woo!
Which he's not ready for. Tell us the truth. Are you ready?
Am I ready? Yeah.
He's born ready, guys.
Born ready, bro.
Born ready. What do you mean not ready? Sleep? You crazy, bro. This guy's born ready. You see that guy there? He's born ready. He's naturally flexing while he's putting the tire in the bag. Naturally flexing. Like this BMW X6M.
Sheesh.
We had this car lowered on H&R springs before. We also did the Ferradas, the FR3s. 20 by 11s in the back. Or actually, sorry, 12s in the back and 9s in the front. So it was a wild build. We did a custom trunk layout that matched the leather of the interior. And now he came back, because we also had a JB4 done before. JB4 throws it in limp mode if it shows any misfires. So it came back for a limp mode diagnosis, and we seen that cylinder 6, cylinder 8 were misfiring. So we ended up changing the coil packs and the plugs, and now we have no more misfire. Beautiful machine.
So now you gotta do 3 more.
No, two more.
2 more? Okay.
At least I could just finish up the front here.
Fair.
Yeah. Oh, actually, do I need to take off the back? No, I don't need to take off the back, bro.
So you just need to take off the fronts?
Yeah, because I gotta change the rotors over to new knuckles and stuff. But the back is I don't have to take off the back.
Lucky you.
You know?
Oh, that's, yeah, it's getting a lot bigger, right? So it's gonna need that brake
exactly.
line.
Right, so
Jeez.
got the braided line in. The proper there. Send it.
So now you just gotta take that hub and put it there?
Exactly.
Alright, let's get to it.
Hub and bearing.
Jeez.
This is Phase
For the Penatech setup.
So what?
The other two setups.
So these are gonna be the travel machines?
Yeah, man. Well, all 3 technically. But I want to get another one in the trailer. So it's always in the trailer.
Okay.
These are going out for the first corporate event within the next month.
Nice.
Even got cup holders, bro. For your beer.
Guys, what's going on over here?
What is happening, buddy?
What is with this mess you guys made?
Mess? I don't know what you're talking about, buddy.
What the fuck?
1, 2, 3, big T! Wow, we can't even lift it. Neither can I. Let's just push.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber. Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.